Right, hello. And today I'm going to be showing you how to fix your rear wheelie bar in your car, because as you can see by mine it's a bit poorly and I've broke it. So you can see where it's snapped off here and here. So I'm going to be changing that. Here's the old one, the wing. These are the new parts that I got from Banggood. Should be everything in there I need to fix it. Tools you will need for this is a 2mm Allen key, a 3mm, and potentially a 4mm Allen key and an 8mm spanner. Depends on what you've broke. On mine I've literally broke these ends here, so the two bars here that connect the wheels are still intact, so I don't need to change them. But if you've got to take your actual wheels off, you will need them two tools. So right, so the first thing I'm going to need to do, yours might be different because it all depends on where you've broke it, to be fair, but for me it's going to be the 4 screws here. So got, where are we, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to get them off, and I'll continue when I've got that bit done. So one piece off. That's the second piece off. Right, so now let's see what we've got in the packaging. EV1004 from Banggood these are. Took a bit to come, but hopefully soon we're going to be stocking our own parts for these cars on our eBay store. As soon as we get that up and going, we'll let you know. So basically in this pack you get the wing support. So obviously mine's snapped off. One side of the arm, other side of the arm, the LED holder, which I've already got one of them. Nothing's broke on mine, but so I probably won't be replacing that. And then a ruck of spare bolts, but I'm just going to use the bolts that have are already in it, to be fair. So I'm going to take this apart now and start the reassembly process. See, now that's actually, there's no damage with that whatsoever, which is good, because you don't get these arms in the package that I bought. Basically get everything that's broke on mine, which is the wing part and the bit that connects it to your car. So that's all good. So basically now what we want to do is get your new parts. They can only go one way around. Basically you've got that in cut there, the flat bits go to the outside, basically like that. So start with the wing. There's 3 different holes on this as well, so you can have your wing at different gradients if you want, but I'm just going to go for the stock setting, which is bang in the middle. So yeah, right, so basically what I'm going to do is just loose fit all the bolts first and then tighten it all up as one when I get to that stage. This wheelie bar has also got 3 different settings as well, so I'm just going to go for the standard centre. Why not? it was perfectly good how it was. So. Right, so now it's all loosely timed up, I'm going to give it the final torque on each bolt. Right, so there we go, that's all back together, nice and solid. So the only other things we've got to do now is obviously the 4 bolts back into the main bit of the body, and there's also another little bit I want to show you, which is these 2 bolts here, which obviously go into them 2 holes. Obviously you've got the 4 holes for them 4 bits. So yeah, I'll crack on with that now. Right then, so now they're all loosely bolted in, I'm going to get the final torque on them all, and then there'll only be one last job to do. Now them bolts have had the final torque, you can see it's looking a bit more like a Cheetah again. I've missed that wheelie bar. Yeah, it's good fun with the wheelie bar. Any of you people who own one of these and have snapped that off, which I can guarantee you have, you're going to have missed that, because you can't get all the power down without this wheelie bar. So yeah, glad it's back on. One last job to do is just to remove these bolts out the wing, strap that on, and I think we're ready to go. There we have it. Wing, wheelie bar, all back on, nice and strong again. I can't wait to get it wheeling again in the next video. Put the shell on so you can see that. Yeah, there we go. Back to its former glory. See, I've not put the lights. I've not put the light bracket back on mine because they unfortunately ripped off when I broke it, so small little detail miss, but other than that it looks top notch again. It looked a bit lonely without that spoiler, so yeah, happy with that. Good parts, obviously proper genuine JLB parts they are, EB1004, perfect for the job. Spare bolts, so any other little jobs you need to do, you've got plenty of spare bolts, because you don't need to replace the bolts. That's absolutely fine. So yeah, and hopefully soon when we get the shop up and running, we're going to be having all parts in for these, so you can do stuff like this yourself. Really easy job. Like I say, I've done that with 2 Allen keys. You may need the bigger 4mm and the 8mm if you needed to take the wheels off, but we didn't in this scenario. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.